Hi, and welcome to Logify. In this video, we'll show you the main functionalities of our product and how to use them. Lodgify is an all-in-one solution that provides you with everything you need to boost bookings, step up productivity, and manage all day-to-day tasks of your vacation rental business. Our main features are a bookable website builder, a property management system, and a channel manager. Let's start with the website builder. This feature will allow you to create your own website. And if you choose a yearly subscription plan, you'll also get a free domain name to create a personalized URL to showcase your rental and boost your direct bookings. As you can see, you'll be able to choose between different customizable templates. And don't worry, if you decide to change templates after adding some content, everything will adapt automatically. Next, let's go through the entire booking engine, where visitors will be able to select the number of nights and guests staying at your rental. If you already have a website with an external provider, you can also embed our booking widget and turn lookers into bookers. We work with different payment processing providers such as Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, and Braintree. These are fully integrated into our booking engine to process payments from all over the world. You'll also be able to add your business name and logo, customize the colors, fonts, and backgrounds. If you head over to our Pages section, you'll be able to add your website content and different sections of your site. You can even add widgets and other multimedia elements like high-definition images and video. You'll also be able to adapt your page settings for search engine optimization. Now let's check out Logify's rental management features. This is your main dashboard, where you'll see your properties. Each one will have its own rental information. You'll be able to edit the rental type, sleeping arrangements, rooms, and amenities. Here is where you can set up your default rates per property. But you can also set different nightly prices, minimum stays, lengths of stay, weekly or monthly prices, or even create your own custom range. For example, you can have different rates on weekends and weekdays, and other settings like check-in and check-out options. Or set up seasonal rates to adapt to your peak seasons. You can also add cleaning fees and taxes. And additionally, you can also generate some promotions, discounts, and additional services or add-ons. Next, let's head over to our reservation management functionalities. Here, you can see the breakdown of your reservations, the payment status, and quotes. You can also set your payment and cancellation policies and a damage deposit. Then you can create custom automatic messages. You can set up as many as you want and schedule them up to 30 days before and after the guest arrives or leaves. You can also create automatic responses triggered by the guest's specific actions. Now let's check out our unified inbox. This is where you'll get all your messages. With Airbnb, it'll work for both inquiries and confirmed bookings, and all the messages will come in and out. For Vrbo, it works with confirmed bookings and the first inquiry. And for Booking.com, for all the confirmed bookings. You'll see the status, the channel, guest, and you'll be able to save custom replies and filter the messages so that you can find a specific one as quickly as possible. Now let's have a look at our calendar and channel manager. This is the property view, meaning you'll see the calendar of your different properties. Depending on the symbol, you'll see which channel each booking is coming from. You can also filter by property if you want to see only one of them. And directly from the calendar, you'll be able to manually edit your nightly prices and create closed periods and bookings. You'll have a direct API connection with Airbnb, Vrbo, Expedia, and Booking.com, and an iCal connection for any other OTA you wish to work with. And here, you can switch to the single calendar and the 6 months view. Then, our property management system. This is available with our Ultimate plan. As you can see, you have an overview of your rental reportings, like revenue, hosted guests, and more. You can filter it by time frame or property, so you'll be able to get important information and insights about your business, such as your channel breakdown, to see where your revenue is coming from. And you can, of course, export all this information. Here, you can add team members. You can invite them by email, and they download the Property Manager module app and set their permissions accordingly. You can assign them to different properties, create tasks for them, and set different parameters like the urgency level. They'll receive a notification through the app and see the task attached. You can also create some manual tasks for maintenance or gardeners, for example, directly onto the calendar. You can also use the Guest app to set up pre-check-in information. You can adapt it to each property and set up contact telephone numbers, Wi-Fi details, and lock key codes. You can even create a guide for your properties with additional information, like house rules or where to find extra linen and towels. This will be available to download as a PDF or through the Lodgify Guest app. Finally, we also have an accounting tool for bookkeeping. It's set up for property managers to create and send invoices to their owners. They're customizable, and you can edit any strategy or fees and taxes. And lastly, this is our app marketplace, where you can find additional tools to help manage your business. From here, you can connect with your favorite apps or explore new apps that you might find useful and connect them to your Logify account. Summing up, Logify is the all-in-one solution you can rely on to manage your vacation rental business. As we've seen, our complete software allows you to keep track of all your bookings, manage your revenues, and save time on recurring tasks. Precious time that you can spend on expanding your business, targeting new guests, or simply sitting down and reaping the rewards of a job well done. But don't take our word for it. Start your free trial today and see it for yourself.